Hi, dear customer. This is our QLQ automatic slider body cleaning machine. The output is more than 7,500 pieces per 1 hour. About the size, the length is 1.3 meters. The width is 0.85 meters. The height is 1.05 meters. Now let's see. This is the control buttons. This is the power. You can turn on start button, stop button, and the lamp. And this is the speed controller of the sensor switch. You can adjust by yourself. Now you can see we set the time is 0.4 seconds. That means if there haven't sliders in the channel, the sensor can feel it, and after 0.4 seconds, the machine will stop by itself. This is the speed controller of the vibration plant. The number more big, the vibration speed more fast. And after the slider go into the channel, you can press the green stop button. Now let's turn on the power and the vibration plant button. Okay, when the slider is ready to go into the channel, you can press the green start button. It's okay. And then the slider body will be cleaned at this part. Okay, now let's see the final result. You can see the inner body is very clean. We can't see any burr, so it will not scratch the zipper tab.